right down from the Trajan statue, right across from the mosaics here. You'll actually see these two pillars with this cat sitting here and nothing on this side. But if you go on the back side of this, you actually will see there is a cross on that one, and there's a cross on that one. And so they've actually hidden the crosses here because this was an entryway. It was probably a church in the 5th or 6th century. And so that was part of that entryway there, just between the library and the Trajan statue. Coming up just from the library here by this other prescription and also the octagon, there was a church here, and here are the entry stones. With this size of these entry stones, you could tell it was a massive church in this area, probably behind one of these buildings. And I don't believe it was in latrines, even though latrines are the entryway there. But they've been placed here. But these are massive stones. This is almost a pier capital. It's so large, it would sit on its own. We have a cross there and a cross there, and I think I've seen a few more in this section. But let's see. Those crosses there, the large one in front is latrine. Most likely were from this area here. As you go in here, you see some Byzantine type panels for like the beginning in front of the church. This here with a triangle, it could have been a pulpit in this area. It could have maybe not been, but there's all of these remains in this back section. See where this takes us? Oh, little waterway here. I'm not sure what this section is, but a lot of marble, and there's different structures. Like here is a marble area. There's some archways. Could have been multi-purpose what was used for. Let's say this is the other exit out. Section. Again, coming from here, we walked right past this hearts ribbon. Sometimes there's a cross. Looks like it's been smushed out there. Could have been another part. You see many panels like that with a cross in the middle with the heart ribbon on the bottom. It's very possible these hallways was like a chapel from that the bigger capitals that we saw outside. From the library here in this little section here, actually we see another entry stone kind of piled up here. So most likely this guy just mentioned here, the tourist guy, on the side here there were mosaics. Sorry, yeah, on this side here there were frescoes on that little corner here. At one point you can see a fresco image there. Maybe here also, a little candle, a worship space. And over that way, it looks like, again, there's some more in that section there on the walls there. So it looks like this also could have been a library, near the library chapel. This is near the so-called House of Pleasure, 3rd century, 3rd century. We see the stone here on the right, entry stone. So maybe after a while it was converted to something better. And you can see some of the older frescoes that no longer exist, at least in person. Looks like mosaics actually on the ground in this section here.